In this video, I'll be showing you a general overview of the Maple interface and how to save your first worksheet. Before we begin, if you're curious to know how Maple is used at institutions and in professional industries around the world, make sure to check out the user case studies on our website. Now, when you first open Maple, you are greeted by this start page. If you lose this page and need to open it, navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon and click the Home icon. There are some additional resources on this page that can help you out. And if you want to use Maple on the go, you can download the Maple Calculator app. For more information on what's included in Maple, check out the My Maple tab in the ribbon. If you're ready to do some math, open up a new worksheet by clicking the button on the Start page. There are a few differences between a document and a worksheet, but for this tutorial, worksheet mode is recommended to help you get familiar with the various commands and syntax in Maple. Within the worksheet, you can type an expression using your keyboard and press Enter to evaluate it. On the left-hand side, you have the palettes for inputting different kinds of symbols and expressions. And on the right-hand side, you have the context panel for applying different kinds of operations, such as approximating a number, as well as the AI assistant, which has knowledge of Maple's math engine. There will be more on each of these in our other videos. As you're learning Maple, you should also explore the ribbon. There are different tools for editing documents, as well as built-in resources for learning and doing mathematics. Finally, if you want to save your work for later, click on File in the top left and then Save. There are other options here as well for opening worksheets, importing PDFs, or exporting to different formats. And with that, now you should know the basics of how to use and navigate Maple.